Hey everyone, Dean here for New Smyrna Beach Custom Cars. Here it is, another weekend. I still haven't got my parts in for this disc brake conversion kit. Still waiting on those. Now the weather has turned to crap. It's raining. I'm trying to get this rear end cleaned and painted. I got it cleaned up some, but the rain's stopping me from painting it outside, so I'm going to have to bring it in and do it. And I'm going to try to get the rear end in the car this weekend. So until then, here's a little video on a car I did. It's a Z28, kind of like my wife's car. This is my buddy's car. And I do fix some seats in it, put them rear gear in it, rebuild the rear end pretty much. And the third thing, I put decals all on the car after we got it done. So check this little video out, and I'll talk to you at the end. Hopefully we'll have this rear end in. So here it is, 1980 Z28, black on black, very clean car, T-top car. And this is one we're going to be putting a gear in and put stripe kit on here. Kind of walk around and give you a little view of this thing. It's quite nice. Gets a shot on the inside here. It's an automatic car. It's got a 350 in it, which I built for him. It's been several years ago. Nice car, runs really good. And once again, it's a 350. Got a mild cam in it. So first thing we're going to be doing to this is I'm going to try to get these seats out of this car. So this is going to be the easy job. We're going to do it first, and then I'm going to do the rear end, and then after that, I'll do the stripes last. But I got the tracks changed out. Come to find out that inside track was spun backwards and on the wrong seat, so I had to swap the two. The seats with the handle on it, they were okay, but seats are sitting in there nice and level now. The backs of it, you know, they're not leaning into each other no more. They're all nice and straight up, so we got the seats took care of. So now we're going to move on to putting the gear in this. There she is. Got all the striping put on it. Walk around the back side here. A nice bright sunny day. Badge on the air induction. I need to take and get it washed now. I got a few fingerprints on it. Well, that's pretty much it. Hey guys, how'd you like that video? I figured we'd put something in there for you Chevrolet guys. My buddy Steve, that's his Camaro, and it's a pretty nice little car. And we did get the rear end put in, so let's go take a look at it. Pretty much it's been cleaned, painted, and I put it in. And right now it's pretty much down to the housing. I've got brand new brakes, wheel cylinders, everything coming brand new to go back on in this area. And I'm gonna clean it up, put them back on. But other than that, we got it, the big parts in. As far as the gear is down here on the floor. I don't know, it's open carrier. We're gonna probably put a pause unit in it. But for right now, just for this car to roll, I'm gonna stick this unit in to roll it. I'm not gonna put no gear oil. That way I can put some tires on it and roll this thing around. There it is. So I've got all new brakes coming. Wheel cylinders, they should be here tomorrow. I'll get all that put on, put the gear back in it, the axles, the hubs, and then we'll throw some tires on it so I can move it around. Unfortunately, we're still waiting on the front end part, so we'll see. Well, that's got it finished up. The rear end's in. I gotta wait on the brakes to come in. We're still waiting on the conversion kit. Other than that, I'm kind of in hold. So don't forget to like us, subscribe to us. I need all the viewers I can get. Bye.